Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. So we are back in this beautiful project. Okay, the game here is not the game, I would say the game is, the story here is to start printing. Okay, in the sense to make title block blah 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 blah. Okay, so we finished the whole project actually, partially, not say partially, completely. Okay, we finished all the let's say the communication plans, etc, etc, communication cable, yeah, we've done, we finished all of this. Okay, yeah, isn't it? Yeah, beautiful. Okay, and then we finished also the plumbing stuff. Okay, so my question is, how do we add sheets to the question? Okay, to this project. Okay, so what you're going to do is something like this. Just make this all minimized, so we have space or real estate. Click on sheet, right click, new sheets. Okay, see, we will have to load a title block. Okay, I'll be loading, and then we can do it like that. Okay, we loaded this thing in the, isn't it? Okay, so we created a new sheet. Okay, then now my question is, how do you add views to the sheet? For example, let's say this one. Okay, I show you something very beautiful. I do not like some people drag and drop, and that's all called headache for no reason, isn't it? Let's close everything. Let's say I want to add some sheet. What I would do is I right click and say add view. Okay, and then click the view which you want to add. Let's start with the plumbing stuff first. Okay, so I believe, if I am not wrong, I made a sheet here, just a second. Okay, so this is the sequence of drawings which we have to complete. So first we'll do domestic water. Okay, I show you something called as cheating. When it says cheating, just copy this and you get the picture, huh? Yeah. Then we come here and where is this domestic water, isn't it? And add to view. Okay, you will notice that the sheet is just left click once. Okay, you would see that the sheet is so small, the drawing is so huge, isn't it? Now my question is, how do you make this guy fit into this window? So you say, John, we will do something called as scaling, isn't it? We'll have to scale a good number. Or do you think it is too big? It is too big. Okay, we'll have to search where is it. It is here. Okay, so generally what I would do is, generally I hate this guy. This guy is called viewport title line. Okay, so what you're going to do is called VG. And tell him to say adios. Hide him. View, yeah, this is the one. View reference. There is view. View titles. Okay. See, this guy disappeared. The small guy disappeared. And tell him, John, I made him sandwich now. I said, okay, very good. Okay, that's it. Beautiful. I'm just hiding the. We'll have to do some texting down. Okay, so just for privacy reason, I will be just hiding, not recording what's going on. I'll be just adding a text of what I copied. If you want, I show you what I did. Let's do this. Right click, rename. Where is rename? Here. That's why I did domestic. So I know this is domestic pipes. I do not need to, isn't it? You get the picture. Okay, so this is very good. Nothing is here, isn't it? All looks perfect. The scale is not an issue. If the scale is an issue for you, okay, I tell you what you do. This is called cheating, but not cheating really. Go to plumbing. You said domestic HVAC, no? Isn't it? Just a second. We need to listen to nice music, isn't it? Okay, see the scale, we need to change the scale of this text. Okay, there are different ways to do it. One human method would be, okay, I'll ask you this question, is going to be a question answer question. Okay, listen, how do you change the scale without, one method is edit family. Okay, change this guy. Okay, it's still small, but you need to make it edit type. Okay, duplicate, change his name. Okay, then load into project, override. This looks better, isn't it? Okay, you see this guy automatically got updated. Okay, Okay, now similarly we're going to add other sheets. Right click, new sheet. We will have problem, not problem, you consider this a problem. We'll have a little bit hiccups when we do the other drawings. Okay, so what we're going to do is right click, add view. Which we will add? We just go to our list. We finished added this, no? We added them. Okay, now I'll add firefighting. Just copy this, isn't it? Now we said what? Fire, no? Yeah. Add to view. It takes some time. Click somewhere. Not click, left click. Huge. Use the same scale. 1000. Go and search. Where is it? Okay. VG. View. Okay. Bring him here and say welcome to alien planet, isn't it? Okay, I hope this is clear. We'll have to do some modification in the drawing. Automatic that all fire hydrant has not been added, isn't it? So what we can do is, I tell you one thing, load into project. This guy is not happy. Listen. Say don't save. Okay. Okay. No. So this has to be. I think what has happened is. Okay, don't worry. We have medicine for everyone. Sorry. Because I think the different scale we did. Beautiful. Ah, John, what are you doing? We are in domestic. Just a second. That's why you don't open all the views. Okay, doesn't matter, no problem. Okay, it's correct, don't worry. Now what we'll do, right click, rename. Before that guy goes, isn't it? Okay. Okay, we've added one more view. Okay, we'll have to add all of them. We'll keep doing, isn't it? We're not lazy. New sheet, title block. Okay, then what we'll do, right click, add view. Which view? We finished this sewage. This guy has written the wrong spelling. Doesn't matter. We can correct it, isn't it? Right click, add view. Sewer. Beautiful. That is the sewer HDP pack. Okay, add to view. Click anywhere. Left click. I think was it 2000? 1000. Okay, what I do is close other all. We don't want headache for no reason. Where it went? Here. Okay, beautiful. Okay, you know why you are getting like this single line diagram? It is because can you see now double line? You can't see, make it dark, isn't it? Beautiful. Okay. You know what this guy is called monkeys. Not called monkeys, they're called elevation markers. Okay, you don't see them anymore. Okay, looks good. Yeah. Okay, if you think the tag looks, no, it looks bad. Doesn't look bad. Okay. Okay. Then rename. Type the name correctly. Okay. Irrigation now, isn't it? sorry, we don't want to do it. Okay, we wanted view tiles. Okay, what is this? Just a second. Okay, simply a deck for no reason. Okay, do you think it's the view range? Irrigation has all one size, huh? Yeah. If you cannot see it, sometimes because of the black background, go to options, change it to black. Okay, so you can see everything. Do it correctly once only. Isn't it? This looks perfect. Sometimes you can't see the background when you have light colors and you have headache. Isn't it? Okay, everything looks good. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go and add the title block text there. Okay, we'll add title text there. Okay, we'll be adding now next electrical sheets. Electrical cable. Okay, you must be careful here. You will have to add, what's this white? Okay, you need to be careful. Okay, what I'll do, I'll tell you one thing. I will add the views. Okay, I will add the views and then we can modify in the drawing later once only. Okay, so I think let's keep adding the views and then we move forward. Okay, so I think all good so far. Yeah, we said what we need to change the name, isn't it? Right click, rename, electric cable. Oh, something here which was, yeah, scale doesn't look good. Text, select one of the text, edit family, change it to, select the text, duplicate, make it 1.25 mm, change the text height, isn't it? Say load to product, load into the close. Okay, we can, and here say save changes, yes, or cancel, load to project, override existing. Okay, this looks good, isn't it? And then save the project. We'll do some modification later. We'll have to put junction box, etc., manhole, everything. Okay, that will be kept for the maybe the next evening or something. Okay, we'll add one more sheet, two more actually. Okay. See, if you notice that when you keep adding, it will disappear. Okay, one question, random question coming up. Keep this. Okay, one more question answer question class will be coming up very soon. Okay, beautiful questions. I'd like to know your answers for that. Okay, then I'll teach you how to do it. Is communication coming next? Yeah. Do you think I made the scale too small? Okay. I see. We have many extra, that is something because of view range. We have to add these manholes, etc., etc. Okay, junction box, whatever. Okay, because sometimes client doesn't know what was that thing. Okay, so you think what you're doing here. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. Okay, we're not going to stop here. Don't worry. We keep adding stuff here. Not really. What was this? Communication cable. Oops. Okay. Okay. One more sheet. We call that STC cable, no? Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I think we finished the whole project. One more view is there. 3D view. Complete project. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. Okay. Now this whole project put in the sheet. So we do something called as scaling. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. I hope you learned something, how to print. That's the most important thing. Our aim was to learn how to print. Okay, how to print in the sense how to do, isn't it? How to add title block, everything. Okay, so next class we'll make this modification. So let's say 95% of the job is done. Let's say 97% of the job is done. Now just something called as makeup, isn't it? This looks bad, open connection here, isn't it? Okay, so if we do I do it in a 3D, you can just change the black to white background, you would see what's this project on. Okay, make it white. Now you would see the building, etc., etc. Okay, 3D view. Okay, so anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. Okay, and let's just close this. Let's say no. Okay, this is the project. We finished the piping, lot of pipes, electrical work, etc., etc. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. You learned something. That's the most important thing. Okay, so we see each other in the next class. We'll be having a question answer class coming up very soon. Okay, question and answer class. Well, I'll be putting some questions and I'd like you to use your brains and give me the answers. Okay, and then if you can't do it, then I'll teach you how to do it. Anyway, I think that's it for today, isn't it, for this beautiful project? We've almost 97% of the job is done. Now just call makeup work, isn't it? Okay, anyway, I think that's it for now, and bye, isn't it? Or do I tell something else? Okay, anyway, take care, and I think we all see each other in the next class. Bye.